Analysis. On today's analysis, I will show you some amazing facts. There are 3 metals that float on water. The reason they float on water is because they have less mass than water. Lithium, sodium, and potassium all float on water. The 3 metals react violently to the water, creating burning hydrogen. What does a diamond, the graphite in your pencil, graphene, and Buckminster fullerene have in common? They're all allotropes of carbon. That means they're all made from carbon atoms, but the atoms in each material is arranged differently and they're connected in different ways to create different properties. Land snails have an organ in their mouth called the radula. It resembles a tongue covered in tiny teeth. Many snails have lens-based eyes. This means they have a lens that focuses light onto retina, very much like a human eye works. Most land snails are hermaphrodite. That means they have both the male and the female organ and are able to lay eggs and fertilize eggs at the same time. In some public toilets, you'll notice that the toilet seat is U-shaped. U-shaped toilet seats are considered to be more hygienic because they reduce the surface area between the skin and the seat. The gap also allows you to wipe your bottom without coming into contact with the seat from your hand. The water that is left in the toilet bowl is intended to act as a plug to block out ammonia and methane and various other gases that escape from the sewers. It also acts as a barrier to keep out insects such as beetles. The first cell in your body is older than your mum. The egg cell that formed your very first stem cell appeared in your mum's torso when she was still in the womb. Therefore, it is older than your mum's. A Boeing 747 jetliner burns 4 litres of fuel per second when flying. However, it carries up to 500 people at around 2/3 the speed of sound, making it more efficient than cars over a long distance. If you are not inbred, you'll descend from 2 parents, 4 grandparents, 8 great-grandparents, 16 great-great-grandparents, and 32 great-great-great-grandparents. This means that in just 5 generations of your family you have 62 ancestors. The number of ancestors you have doubles in size every generation you look backwards. Viruses are both living and non-living things. When they're in the host cell they are alive, and when they are not in the host cell they are dormant and non-living. They are unable to generate their own energy and they are unable to propel themselves. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, goodbye.